How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey and welcome to part 6 of the Intro to GUI in Java series. Today we're going to be talking about JCheckBoxes. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Checkboxes are usually used in programs that involve surveys or study of demographics. In today's example, we're going to create a program that asks whether or not you eat meat, veggies, or both. So first we need to import our JCheckBox. So import javax.swing JCheckBox. Next, we need to have our checkboxes as data fields for our JFrame or our window. So JCheckBox, checkbox 1, JCheckBox, checkbox 2. In our constructor for our JFrame, we're going to have checkbox 1 is equal to new JCheckBox. And for our first choice, we have meat. Then we're going to set the bounds of our checkbox. So checkbox 1.setBounds, and we're going to have x 100, y 100, 300 pixels wide, and 50 pixels long. And don't forget to add your checkbox to your panel. So panel.add checkbox 1. And the same goes for our second checkbox, except this time our second checkbox option is veggies, and the y value is 175. All right, now let's look at our JCheckBoxes. So we have our label that says, what do you eat? And then our first checkbox is meat, and our second is veggies. And then we have a button that we click after we've made our choices. So you notice there's a rectangle surrounding our first checkbox. So checkboxes, similar to radio buttons and JButtons, need to set the focusable to false. So checkbox 1, set focusable to false. And our second checkbox, set focusable to false also. We run it again, and there we go. Our rectangle's no longer there. All right, next we need to add functionality to our JButton. So in our action perform method, if our button is clicked, we're going to check if checkbox 1 dot is selected and our checkbox 2 is selected, our label will set the text to you are a omnivore. Else if checkbox 1 is selected, we're going to set label.set text to you are a carnivore. And lastly, else if checkbox 2 is selected, we're going to set our label to you are a herbivore. Let's run our program, and we have what do you eat? If we say meat, we click our button, you are carnivore. If we say veggies, you are herbivore. If we pick meat and veggies, you are omnivore. So those are the basics of JCheckBoxes in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. All right, thank you for watching.